Hello and welcome back. Today, we will talk about variables and data types in the C programming language. Recall from the Python lessons that a variable is a place in the memory of a computer to store data and information. In Python, you would name a variable and then store data directly. But in C, you have to mention the data type before naming your variable. Let's transition to data types in C. Data type in programming defines the type of data that a variable can hold, specifying the range of values it can take and the operations that can be performed on it. Data types in C and Python do not differ that much. However, there are some additional data types with various purposes in the C programming language. Int, char, which is similar to string but with some distinctions, float, double, and long. Int is used for integer data type, char stands for character data type, float is used for single precision floating point data type, double is used for double precision floating point, and long data type is used to declare integer variables that can store larger integer values than the standard int data type. In C, we do not have any internal data type named string, but we can import third-party libraries to get the string data type. However, we can alter the char data type to the string data type by creating an array or a list. Double and long are mostly used to eliminate truncation, or in other words, losing decimals in division, and also floating point imprecision. Let's head to VS Code for practical examples. I will open a new file, code variable.py. Now, I will only assign variables with different data types. Hash include inside angle brackets standard io.h, then int main inside parentheses void open braces close braces and inside curly braces char, then character equals to single quotations a, then semicolon, and integer equal sign 25 semicolon, then char string open bracket close bracket an equal sign, and inside quotations hello comma world, and then semicolon, then float decimal equals to 3.14, then semicolon, then double underscore float equals to 3.14159 semicolon, then long underscore int equals to 1 2 3 up to 0, then semicolon. At first, I have mentioned the data type of my variable in each line of code, followed by the name of the variable, then an equal sign to assign the data, after that the data itself, ended with a semicolon. In the first line of code, char is my data type, character is the name of the variable, and a is the data stored in my variable. Notice that there is not any string data type, but I have used the char data type alongside an array or list to make a string data type. Here, the char data type separates the text into single characters and then stores it continuously in a list. Double allows us to add more decimal points, and long allows us to save more numerals. Now, in order to check our code, we can compile it. If there are any errors, the compiler will notify us about them. In terminal, make variable. You can see it got compiled. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new. Like and subscribe. Have a nice time.